Greetings, and welcome to another exciting episode of Great American Survival. Today we're getting ready to go. We're going on a hike. It's a short hike. It's only I think it's 2 miles there and 2 miles back, with a lot of little side trails once you get to the fort where we're going. We're going to a place called Scull, S-C-U-L-L, I'll put it across here, Shoals. It's in the Oconee National Forest here in Georgia. It's in between Athens and Greensboro, off Highway 15, or State Route 15. Very cool stuff. It's a ghost town. It's one of the ghost towns here in Georgia. There's a lot of history to it. It's the original site in the 1700s of Fort Clarke, which is very, very cool. The original settlers settled there in like 1784, if I remember right. And people lived there all the way up through the Civil War. And in the late 1800s, the town just kept getting flooded because of the area. And people would die every time they did it. There were battles there with several different Indian tribes around the area. There were battles at Fort Clarke. And then in the late 1800s, right before the 1900s, like 1897, I believe, the town was abandoned and just everybody left. The town was then sold to various different people over the years, and in 1935 the U.S. government bought it, and then in 1959 it became part of the Oconee National Forest, which is where we're going. So stick with us. We'll show you some really cool stuff. It's just cool. It's a cool piece of history. I love history. I love being part of this, and hope you guys will stick with us. Yeah.
You will.
Yeah.
And then you have to get a shot in your butt so you go in.
Yep. What are you doing? Stand still.
There's two.
What?
Lizards.
Oh, it's in there. Coming back around this way. Look at him going up there. Parkour.
Where'd he go? Where'd the other one go?
Hey, buddy.
He's probably like on the other side.
Look at him. He's going up the rocks. Bricks. See him?
He's on the branch.
Oh, both of them are. There's a green one right behind him. See it?
Oh, yeah. That's the one from earlier, I think.
The one that's way over there? No.
No, there was one there and there was one over here. There was one on my bricks earlier.
Wow. It's just wild.
Cause you know how in like old casino things, like not casino, bars in the Western days have the thing for the ladies.
Yeah, this isn't a bar. This is a mill.
It's just like you said it was a community.
Hey, buddy. Yeah? Looks like we found some more ruins. That's an old well. Did you fall? You okay? Very cool. Pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. We brought the boys out, decided to just get some dirt under our feet. It's nice. It's wonderful out here. We've got a bunch of different places for you to look at. It's just pretty cool. It's really spread out. So we're gonna go see what else we can find, guys. Just trail walking, yeah. I know. That's why I did what I did. There you go, dude. Have fun with it. Trail over there? Your arm okay? Tripped over a cable. It's okay.
Once I looked up and I saw.
Yeah. Yep.
Wait, almost.
I'm not trying to hit it. I'm trying to get it.
But
to
you
the
said he's one snake.
Sorry, buddy. He
Bye,
looks like
buddy.
he'll be okay. There he is. He's relaxed. Now he's okay.
I want to see the pond. Whoa, let him go.
You can see him in the road. It's beautiful, though. Look at him. Isn't he pretty?
Yeah, but what? He has fun.
To an extent.